CHT Silicone provides clear advantages over epoxy encapsulants. Unlike epoxy, silicone is non-yellowing, offers high heat resistance and low exotherm, so it stays at room temperature while curing. Another advantage is flame retardance. Epoxy smokes and burns, while CHT silicone is clear, even in direct contact with a torch. In the end, the epoxy is charred, while the silicone is still intact. Silicone is non-shrinking, which means there's no need for recapping, saving you time. Plus, CHT offers silicone gel that is repairable, which is impossible with hardened epoxy. Overall, CHT silicone is non-yellowing, flame retardant, repairable, and non-shrinking. It's the clear choice.